Welcome to Vasion Print, a solution for simple, secure, and scalable print management. Before we begin, I would like to note that the interface in this video may look slightly different from your instance of Vasion Print. That's because we're using the Vasion Print unified experience with Vasion Automate in this video. But whether you're using Vasion Print on its own or as part of Vasion Automate, everything you see here works the same way. Want to see which devices have the Vasion Print client? The Workstations Report gives you a full list of all installed clients, helping you keep track of adoption and activity across your environment. To access the report, go to Reports, Workstations. When you run the report, you'll see a detailed list of every machine with the Vasion Print client installed, including workstation short name and long name, operating system, IP address, client version, initial check-in time when it was first installed, most recent check-in time. You can filter the results by any column, like OS, IP address, or client version, or by date range, using start and end times to narrow the view. And if you need to work with this data outside the console, you can export the report as a CSV file for further analysis or documentation. With the Workstations Report, you can easily monitor deployment status, validate check-ins, and ensure devices are staying connected to Vasion Print. Check out our other videos to see more ways Vasion Print gives you visibility and control.